It's Jason again with My RV Inspection and MyRVResource.com. It's the yellow pages for RV service providers. And today I'm coming to you with a weekly one reason to get an RV inspection again. And I'm inspecting a brand new RV. It was built in June of last year. So let's go real quick, take a gander at that. Okay. There's your date. So, air conditioners again. And I know I've showed you a few things about air conditioners, but this one's pretty severe. Brand new RV, folks. Brand new. And trying to get the filter out here. There we go. So, see that little white tab on that gray seal? What that is a marker. And it tells you how tight to pull the air conditioner to the roof. Now, if you don't tighten it down enough, that seal doesn't get a good enough seal. It rains, water comes underneath the air conditioner into the RV. Also means the RV air conditioner is not up there very tight. The wrong wind while you're driving down the road could move it front to back, side to side. And, I mean, that could be catastrophic in some cases. So, when you're looking at your RV to buy it, it's one place to look is up inside that plenum area. Make sure that that gray seal is squished so that the white touches the top and the bottom, you know, the top of the air conditioner and the top of the roof. That tells you that the seal is made correctly. And once again, it could leak. It could suck warm air in from the outside. It could be moving around while you're driving down the road. That air conditioner could move in all kinds of different ways and then not be sitting up there correctly. Or worse, I mean, it could technically come out. I mean, it's possible. So, that's our weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. Because it's something that most people don't know to look for. They don't know how that air conditioner is installed. And we want you to be safe. We want you to have an enjoyable time in your RV. So, weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. You have a nice day.